session we're going to be having some Afghan baking. The name is Kulche Murabbadar. What that is an Afghan cookies that has jam in it, and it's occasionally served, most likely in Eid time because it's sweets, and sweets goes very well on the Eid time. So let's take a look at the ingredient. It's a very easy recipe. So the ingredient for Kulche Murabbadar, which is the Afghan jam in cookies. Here for filling we need jam. So I'm using raspberry jam, but you can use any flavor jam you like. At the same time, here I have is 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. This is white flour. We need 1 egg. And sugars to your own taste. I'm using less than 1 cup, so approximately ½ cup. And we need melted butter, or you can use room temperature butter. It's about 1/3 cup of butter. If you're using salted butter, then you don't need to add salt. But if you're using unsalted butter, which I'm doing, then you need salt, about 1/4 teaspoon, and ½ teaspoon of cardamom. This is for flavor. It's optional. You can also use vanilla essence if you like. Let's go to the baking. I'll begin by adding 1 egg here. Once you had a chance to beat the eggs, add your sugar. Make sure you mix for at least 30 seconds, so then all the sugar is melted, or even 1 minute. And at the same time, I'm going to add the cardamom. Like I said, the cardamom is optional. You can also add vanilla essence and a pinch of salt here. Next, add the butter. Now I have the flour. I'm going to add it to the mixture, so I'll divide it into 2. So I'll add my first half. Add all the flour, or using your hands or a wooden spoon, and make this into a nice firm dough. And here is the dough for the Afghan cookies here. Now, just to give you guys some tip, if this is too dry, add some more melted butter, room temperature, or if it's too hard, add a few tablespoons of lukewarm milk or room temperature milk, just so you guys know. It's supposed to be nice and firm dough, okay? Here I have my baking sheet here, or baking tray. I have a wax paper on top, so this way easy to cook the cookies and have them taken out. So now what we're gonna do with the dough, we're gonna make it into small sizes and make it into a circle shape of the dough, so make into small round balls here. Alright, once you're done with preparing them into small circle balls here, what you're gonna do, take your thumb and press down to all of them. Once you have a chance to press down with your thumb, then what you're going to do is you're going to expand this into a circle shape and make the circle a bit more round. Just about this much, okay? You're going to continue with all of them. Once you're done making this deep hole here, then what we're going to do is put some jam in it. So you can put your own flavor jam, a little bit. I had my oven preheated on 350 degree. We're gonna place it in the bottom for about 15 minutes, and then we will put on top for 12 minutes. It's been good 15 minutes, and I'm gonna go ahead and place this on the top, and I can tell from the bottom that it's been baked, so just leave it for another 12 minutes on the top. Alright, so these cookies are ready, and I'm just gonna let this rest for at least 15 minutes or so till they get cool, but try to remove it from the surface and put it in a separate one so they don't over bake. And here is an easy recipe on Afghan Kulche Murabbadar, which is the Afghan cookies that has jam in it. So you can serve this with any type of Afghan tea, green tea, black tea, even coffee. It goes very well with hot drink, or you can enjoy it the way it is. And hopefully you all like this easy recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe, and until next time.
Jimmy, Jimmy, acha, acha.